save the sticker packet for last because what I'm about to do might hurt. Yeah, that's right. One of the most evil things to do as a Lego builder is to carelessly put stickers on them. I used to be trash at doing this job, but now I usually just don't put stickers on at all. Sometimes you realize it's not placed on right, so you go to remove it, you put it on again, and you realize that one corner is damaged. Or if you're a dog owner like me, you put the sticker on to find a piece of hair underneath it. Or sometimes you even find your own fingerprint. Before we go to our next idea, let's talk about the sponsor of this video, which is World of Warships. World of Warships is a free game available on PC and console where you can control over 400 historical ships on over 40 different maps. There's over 44 million players and 4 different classes of warships you can control. Battleships, destroyers, aircraft carriers, and cruisers. If none of those float your boat, you can quite literally not float and go underwater in a submarine. Fresh content gets dropped every month, whether it be new ships, nations, cosmetics, so you're constantly getting a true updated gaming experience. That's pretty bonkers. In the most recent update, they added stunning new water effects and textures, which make the game look super realistic. You can play by yourself or you can squad up with the boys and conquer the seas as a team. World of Warships isn't just a game, but it's also a digital museum that not only displays some of the most iconic ships from the First and Second World War, but also past designs that never got the chance to be made but were brought to life in the game. Click the link in the description and download World of Warships.
Some babies wake up like this, but Pampers babies rise and giggle, even after a long night, feeling as if freshly changed. New Pampers comfort with working Pampers baby can and with feelings, keeping baby feeling as freshly changed.
Never take I mean, who wants a giant Lego creation that probably took months to make this far over a when a mom wants to put to it? But if you're an ordinary person like me and just want to make simple, small things, I don't think it's really need that. Even if you hear about 2 years, maybe, just put in a display and don't do like your business and pull up that crap. We don't need that. Okay, so for the next few topics, you got you thought and you also great with separate the your teeth, stand on your bricks, put it in the floor, build on building, lift the bricks. Let he looks extra fit. But the real one, we gotta get this guy just so we can eat and then build. Throw them into hot water and let them. That's actually pretty true. Pretend here's a Barbie and here's a lady. Illegal building techniques. This is actually very true. I have ran from the cops multiple times from doing these. Okay, so after reading countless comments, there was one that stood out to me the most. Here we go, another run to Walmart. Except we're not grabbing Lego this time. Makes me regular Lego with knockoff Lego. When I was younger, I would occasionally get the sets for Christmas or my birthday, and I would usually mix it with some normal parts. But the annoying thing is that you go to Disney and you realize you like actually the right shape that you want, and then you look at it, the Lego logo, and then you realize it's not the Lego. Don't get me wrong, there's specific Lego brands. I'm trying to keep that stuff out of my brands. They have the very responsibility to show. I did the other day. So yeah, it's just constantly. You can do it, but you look at the two places the same stuff. If you look at the really hard, if you decide to go to Indonesia and be dangerous, does happen. It's usually just stuff people who look at stuff. So now I'm gonna do something that might hurt some body. Here's one thing I'm use these all. Three, two, one. I'm going to okay, guys, so we have to eat milk, grow, and destroy innocent life.
I'm looking for. I'm looking for a space. Oh yeah, I need space.
Huh?
I need space.
Why don't you spell it yourself? Try it.
Where is it? Blah, it's not working. We have.
What?
What do you want to do? Hey, I just want to do.
There.
Ah, clear. FPG. Need. No, sir. There. Search there. Need. Need.
How to spell it? I don't know how to spell it. How to spell it?
Need.
Huh?
I don't know. Need. How to spell need? Where is it? Do you know how to spell need? Need.
Okay. Hmm? Okay. Because you don't have to mix it. That is so easy. You're not learning how to speak. You don't even know how to speak. You don't know how to speak. Right? Yeah. Ginagawa kong parang yung lang gamitin mo.
We have the Jack Soul plays that every game in the like sounding room.